Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Code for Good hackathon, which is just around the corner. So it's gonna be happening on the 21st and the 22nd of August this year, um, and specifically for second year students for the summer internship position next year. So Code for Good, if you guys don't know, it is basically a JPMorgan Chase hackathon where they ask students, or they give the opportunity to students to work in teams and prepare, construct solutions, implement their own ideas to propose solutions to the problems faced by NGOs. So yeah, the it's a hackathon where JPMorgan Chase works closely with NGOs to come up with solutions and help them. And in the process, they also hire students for summer internship and full-time roles. Now, this year, it's nothing different. So all colleges who are eligible to apply for this hackathon, students from those colleges have been shortlisted via rounds like the OA round and the higher view interview. And the shortlisted students, uh, in my time, it was 300 students who got shortlisted for the hackathon. I don't know about this year, but the shortlisted students will be coming to JPMC offices in Bangalore and in Hyderabad, and they will be taking part in this hackathon. So your team construction is not left up to you. Your team mostly will have students from, or teammates from, multiple colleges over India, and you cannot choose your teammates. It will be randomly allotted, and it is completely up to your luck whether you get a completely well constructed team, like with teammates having expertise in different areas, like someone works on front end, someone works on back end, someone has good UI UX knowledge, someone has good presentation skills. If you get such a team, you're a lucky person, but that has nothing to do in whether you're getting hired for the final internship role. So your teams will be randomly allotted, and you will be getting a kind of a Zoom invite to connect with your team members. This had happened in my year, but my year was an online year for CFG because of COVID. So it may not happen for you guys. We got an opportunity to connect with our team members and connect with our team mentors also before the start of the hackathon. It might not happen for you guys. If it doesn't happen, make sure to connect before you reach the location, so that you know about each other's level of expertise in different areas, and you can coordinate well once you reach in the location. So that is first. The next thing is, on the day your hackathon starts, there will be multiple NGOs proposing multiple problems that they require solution for, and you as a team will have to decide which problem statement you will be aligning your team members with. And you'll be getting a time window where you'll get to choose as a team which one you want to align yourself with, and it is a first come first serve process. So if say 10 teams get allotted for one problem statement, you won't be getting that anymore. You'll have to align with your second choice. So that is about your problem statement selection. What the problem statements or how they are, that you'll be able to understand once you reach the location, and once it is given to you, the problems are given to you. Now this is kind of, they say it's a 24-hour hackathon, but if you look at it, you'll see it's just an 18-hour hackathon, because there are several meetings, and by the time you start, or the breaks that you take in between, you'll see it's not so much of time to actually have a full-fledged product. But yes, make sure the idea that you propose is a solid one, because that's what we see, how you're able to construct your product from scratch. Yeah, so that is one thing. Now, on the day of the hackathon, you'll have several shifts. So, there'll be a morning shift. So, on Saturday, basically, this happens over the weekend. So, on Saturday, you might have interviews for your internship role. So, it is not based completely on how much you contribute. Definitely, there is a major chunk of your selection points on how much you contribute, how much you are talking in the team, how much you're able to take a lead on areas that you are specialized in. But apart from that, there are mentors in your team who will be looking through all of this, and also they'll be taking your interviews. Now, interviews, it depends on the mentor completely whether they ask TSA questions or whether they ask development questions. So be prepared for anything, and you'll be taken in separate rooms where the interviewer will be asking you questions. That happens on Saturday mostly, and there are shifts. So your team mentors can change. Like Saturday will be a separate mentor, Saturday night to Sunday morning might be a separate mentor. And interviews mostly happen on Saturday. Now, at the end on Sunday, you will be having your technical judges who will be judging your projects, evaluating on several criteria, and they'll be scoring your projects. There'll be a few teams which will be moving forward to the final round of judgment for each of the problem statements. And from each problem statement, there will be one winner who will be going forward. All the members will be getting rewarded with whatever prize is in store this year. So this is the process that we follow. So if you see, there is not much time because in between you'll have interviews, and probably you'll get a bit worked up because this is the main part. So you won't have 24 hours completely. So make sure to work smartly and don't waste time on areas which don't carry value to the NGO. Don't waste time on enhancing the product without having the main solution ready. And make sure you're able to convey your ideas properly to the NGO when you're presenting your solution. Now, one thing very important, it is not necessary to be a finalist to get selected for the internship, not necessary to be a winner at all to be selected for the internship. What is seen is definitely your interview evaluations and how well you've contributed to in the team environment, because that's what we do in real life as well. So these two things, make sure you're top notch in these, and you should be good to go. Don't be nervous. It's the hackathon where I had the most amount of fun in, even though it was online in my year. A bonus is you get to see their beautiful offices, and you get to see like all the food and meals that you will be having are completely free, and there will be amazing arrangements for students. So there is everything to be excited and hyped up about for Code for Good this year. Congratulations to the people who are selected for this, and go ahead, enjoy, have a blast, get selected. We'll meet at JPMC. So if you guys have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer every question before the hackathon. And yeah, so go ahead, have fun. If you guys are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on hackathons, full-time roles, internship roles, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot. And I haven't been posting for the last 1 week. I've been a bit busy, but I hope to be consistent from now on. So yeah, hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.